Good morning everyone. I am Dr. B. Venkateswarlu, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur, Maharashtra, India. Learning outcome. At the end of this course, students are able to use matrices for solving system of simultaneous linear equations and also eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix. Next, we go for basic definitions like as characteristic matrix, characteristic polynomial, characteristic equation, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Characteristic matrix. Definition: let A be any square matrix of order n cross n and let lambda be an indeterminate, then the matrix A minus lambda I is called characteristic matrix of the matrix capital A, characteristic polynomial. If A minus lambda is the characteristic matrix corresponding to the matrix A, then determinant A minus lambda I is called the characteristic polynomial corresponding to the matrix A. Next definition is characteristic equation. If A minus lambda is the characteristic matrix corresponding to the matrix A, then determinant A minus lambda equal to 0 is called the characteristic equation corresponding to the matrix A. Next definition is characteristic values. The roots of the characteristic equation are called characteristic values of the given square matrix. The characteristic values are also called the eigenvalues or proper values or latent values. Next definition is characteristic vectors. If lambda is the characteristic root of a n cross n square matrix capital A, then a non-zero vector capital X such that A minus lambda I into X equal to 0 is called characteristic vector of capital A corresponding to the characteristic value lambda. The characteristic vector is also called eigenvector. An example: find the eigenvalues and corresponding eigenvectors of 2 by 2 matrix. First row is 5 4, second row is 2 1. The solution: let A is equal to first row 5 4, second row 1 2. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. Then the characteristic equation of A is determinant A minus lambda equal to 0. That is, determinant we present A matrix minus lambda into 2 by 2 identity matrix lambda into 1 0 0 1. This is equal to 0. Then simplify this one, which is implies that determinant first row is 5 minus lambda 4, second row is 1 2 minus lambda equal to 0. Determinant of this matrix is equal to 5 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 1 into 4 equal to 0. This is implies that product this one, that is 10 minus 7 lambda plus lambda square minus 4 equal to 0. So implies that lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. To find roots for this one, that is lambda minus 1 equal to 0, comma lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, lambda equal to 1, lambda equal to 6. Hence, lambda equal to 1 and 6 are the eigenvalues of the given matrix capital A. Next, to find the eigenvector capital X corresponding to each eigenvalue lambda, we have to solve the system A minus lambda into X equal to 0. That is, A minus lambda I value is first row 5 minus lambda 4, second row 1 2 minus lambda into x is a variable matrix 2 by 2 column matrix xy equal to 0 column matrix equal to 0 0. We take this one as a equation number 1. So question, what is the characteristic equation? I hope you all the students are understand the concept of eigenvalues, eigenvectors, so that every student get the answer. The characteristic equation of A is determinant A minus lambda equal to 0. Case 1. To find eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 1. For this, put lambda is equal to 1 in equation number 1, comma we get, that is the first row y 5 minus 1, 4, second row 1, 2 minus 1 into column matrix xy equal to 0 column matrix 0 0 implies that first row is 4 4, second row is 1 1 into column matrix xy equal to 0 column matrix 0 0. Apply row transformations, comma we have, that is R1 implies that R1 by 4. This becomes, so the first row is 1 1, second row is 1 1 into column matrix xy equal to 0 column matrix 0 0. So 0 out this element, so we have to use R2 implies that R2 minus R1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, again 1 minus 1 is 0 into xy equal to 0 0. You see this one, this is particularly in echelon form. There are a number of non-zero rows, only we have 1, and a number of unknowns x and y, means that n is equal to 2. The system having n minus r solutions, that is n is 2, r is equal to 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 solution. The system of equations is x plus y equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. See this one, the last column is 0. So in general, we have to take last variable, that is y is equal to k. We get x plus y equal to 0 implies that x equal to minus y, this is minus k. The solution set is xy equal to minus k, k equal to, take common k, that is k into minus 1 1, where k is any scalar. Hence minus 1 1 is eigenvector of A corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda equal to 1. Case 2. To find eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 6. For this, put lambda equal to 6 in equation number 1, we get, so in equation number 1, that is first row 5 minus 6 4, second row 1 2 minus 6 into variable matrix xy equal to column 0 matrix is 0 0, which is implies that 5 minus 6 is minus 1 4, and second row is 1 2 minus 6 is minus 4 into variable column matrix is xy equal to 0 column matrix is 0 0. Applying row transformations, we have, see this one, the first row can be multiplying by minus 1, that is 1 minus 4 1 minus 4 into column variable matrix xy equal to column 0 matrix 0 0. Then we zero out this element, so that use R2 implies that R2 minus R1 transformation. 1 minus 1 0, minus 4 minus minus plus 4 equal to 0. See this one, this is particularly in echelon form. There is number of non-zero rows is equal to 1 and its rank is 1. The number of variables is equal to 2 and its solution is n minus r, means that 2 minus 1 equal to 1 solution. The system of equations is that x minus 4y equal to 0, 0x plus 0y equal to 0. So that x minus 4y equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. Taking y equal to k, we get x minus 4y equal to 0, x equal to 4y, which is equal to 4k. The solution set is xy equal to 4k, k. So this is equal to k into 4, 1, where k is any scalar. Hence 4 comma 1 is eigenvector of a corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda equal to 6. These are the references.